Here's the rest of the paperwork, sir.
Thank you, son.
She was a good car.
The rust around the wheel arch is deep. We'll have to cut that out.
And that crack goes all the way through the windshield. This is a major project.
All right, she's loose. Start lifting it up. Going up. Watch the lines back there. All right, easy down. Watch the firewall.
Got it. Looks like we're lined up on the mounts.
Perfect. Pass me the torque wrench. Okay, lift it up. Watch the corner. Got it. Setting it down now.